Oh no. Ellie?
Sydney!
Ellie! Did they lock you in the cabinet?
Hurry, I'm losing oxygen.
No, this better be the one. Ellie!
I'm so glad you found me. It was so scary. They took me and hid me in the cabinet.
This game is sick.
Brianna, why do you look so down today?
My little sister was chosen to be hidden this morning. I almost didn't find her in time.
How about we make a pact? Pinky promised that if either of us gets hidden, we'll find each other.
Pinky promise.
It's your turn to be hidden.
I'm so sorry. Are you okay?
Rock-a-bye, baby.
Why is everyone singing?
Attention all citizens. Singing has now become contagious. You must wear earplugs at all times to stop the spread. Mary had a little lamb. Rock-a-bye, baby, on the treetops. Ashes, ashes.
Everyone's singing.
Hey, take out your earplugs.
What?
It's just me and you.
It's just us?
Yes.
Okay.
Ring around the rosies. Ring around the rosies. Morning.
Good morning.
Here's your happy pill. Have a great day.
Every day is a great day.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Here's your happy pill.
I wonder.
Did you take it?
Yes.
Have a great day.
Every day is a great day. Everything's so great.
Hi, Bestie. Why aren't you smiling? Did you take your happy pill?
How could someone be happy in this world? It's so gray and dark.
What do you mean? It's so bright and beautiful.
Look at the streets. It's covered in homeless people with no shelter or warmth.
But look at them. They're happy. They're smiling.
They're freezing and starving to death. Everything's getting darker and darker.
We need an emergency happiness injection. Ring around the rosies, a pocket full of hope. Rosies, ashes. Here's your earplugs back. I was wrong. You might actually need them.
I saw someone die. Was it just him or were there others?
There were 3 others who didn't cover their ears in time. Hey, they canceled school for the day. Go home and get some rest.
Mom, I'm home.
Mary had a little lamb.
Emily, stop singing.
Little lamb.
Emily, why are you singing? I told you not to. It kills people.
Its fleece was white.
Mom, there's something wrong with Emily. She won't stop singing. She's going to kill someone.
Mary had a little lamb.
Why are you singing?
Little lamb.
I need to get out of here. I'm so sorry. Are you okay?
Rock-a-bye, baby. Mary had a little lamb.
Emily, stop singing. Where did you learn to sing?
I don't know. I just heard it on the TV.
You only sing when you want to kill someone. They play that on the TV because they want you to sing, but you can't, okay?
Okay. Honey, are you off to school now?
Yeah, I am.
You forgot to wear your earplugs. You must always keep them on while you're in public.
Do I have to wear them?
It's for your protection. You never know when someone could start singing. Hey, girl. Hey!
Ouch!
Now I got your attention.
What?
Keep out those earplugs. I want to talk to you.
My mom makes me wear them. She says you never know when someone could start singing.
Come on, hand them over. We're at school. No one would start singing here. Bring around the rosies, a pocket full of...
Help! Your name is Simon? Are you the one running Simon Says?
I'm one of many. There's one of us in every school, every workplace, but you can't tell anyone about this.
Why are you telling me all this?
Because I think you're cute, and I'd like to be in a relationship with you.
Okay. Let's be in a relationship then.
Great.
Mom, I'm home. I had a really rough day. What are you doing? Put the gun away from your head.
Simon Says, let her do it. I got a Simon Says to kill you, but I can't do it. I have to off myself instead.
Mom! Simon, did you tell my mom to kill me?
Simon Says, don't reveal his identity. I only did it because I knew she wouldn't hurt you and would end up offing herself instead. What are you doing?
Simon Says, go to hell.
Simon Says, kill your best friend.
What are you doing?
God, as Simon Says, I have no choice. I have to kill you.
I got the same one. Look, we can find a way out of this.
How can we get out of this?
There is no way out.
Simon Says, don't blink. Oh no, I'm gonna blink. Simon Says, once someone blinks, everyone will be able to blink again. Hey! No, please don't. She snapped fingers in my face. She cheated!
I can't do this anymore.
What's wrong?
I don't even know who I am anymore. First I kill my best friend, then I make someone lose and Simon Says and—
You're not a bad person. You can't blame yourself for what the game makes you do.
You're nice. What's your name?
It's Simon. Simon Says, everyone touch their nose.
Hurry! Everyone touch their nose!
Everyone touch their head. Hurry up! Everyone touch their head!
No. They didn't say Simon Says.
Simon Says, rip your test paper in half. Brianna, why did you rip your test? You won't be given another one.
That's okay. I got a Simon Says.
Simon Says, everyone stand still. Everyone start walking. Don't move. They didn't say Simon Says. Simon Says, start moving. These Simon Says are getting worse and worse. I got a Simon Says to break up with my boyfriend.
That's awful.
Simon Says, kill your best friend.
It's my superpower. A snowflake? I wonder what that means. Hey, girl.
Brr, it's freezing in here. Are you not cold?
No, I'm not cold at all. I'm actually quite warm, actually.
Brianna, you feel like ice. I'm freezing. I gotta get out of here.
Missy, wait! No.
You threw ice at me. How could you do that?
I'm sorry. It's my superpower. I don't know how to control it.
You need to leave immediately. You've covered the whole school in snow and ice.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. I don't know how to control my superpower.
You froze the teacher. Wait.
I'm sorry. I really need to get through. I'm turning the whole school into the land of Elsa, and I really don't want to freeze you.
Here, put these on. It will help you to conceal your power. Anna, I made you a ring.
Wow. I love you, Timmy.
I love you.
You got a red mark.
So did you.
Take your ring back. You're not my soulmate.
Oh no, I'm leaving.
Whoa.
I'm so sorry.
Here, you dropped this.
Thanks.
Do you think I could maybe get your number?
Sure.
You got a mark.
It's red. I'm sorry, but I don't want to waste my time.
There's a car, look out!
Doctor, is he going to be all right?
Probably not. Do you know his parents' number?
I don't know. I don't even know him. I almost got hit by a car and he saved me.
Oh.
You're awake. Thank you for saving me.
You have a black mark.
Doctor! Morning, Daddy.
I made you lunch, just how you like it, PB&J.
Thank you.
Honey, do you need a lunch?
No, I got one.
Good morning, sweetie.
Good morning, Dad. It's my first day of high school. I'm so nervous.
How about a homemade PB&J sandwich? Will that help?
Of course it will help. Morning, Dad. You know what I'm really craving for lunch today?
How about a PB&J?
How did you know?
Must have been a good guess.
Dad? Dad? I'm off to college. I could really use one of your PB&Js.
Honey, it's time to go. Are you ready?
Where's Dad? He makes me PB&Js every single morning.
Dad, are you feeling okay?
Yeah, why?
Your father's been dead for over 10 years.
Hands or hair?
You have to choose what your soulmate can control.
I'll choose hands.
No, he could do weird things with his hands.
Okay, I'll choose hair then.
Hey, guys.
Brianna, what happened to your hair? You need to look at this.
I look like Cindy Lou Who.
Why would you do your hair like that?
It's my soulmate. He's allowed to control my hair.
Aw, Brianna, your hair looks so cute today.
I look ridiculous. Why can't my soulmate choose a normal hairstyle for once?
Brianna, you need to take your hair out. It's distracting to the rest of the class.
I can't take it out. My soulmate chose it.
All right, then, come with me to the principal's office. Principal Stevens, this student refuses to take her hair out, even when it's distracting the rest of the class. Wow, that's a really nice hairstyle.
These new joggers I got just aren't comfortable. They're cutting off my circulation.
I have a solution. Try these joggers from Halara. They're much more comfortable. These are the cloud-filled joggers. Not only are they super soft like a cloud, but they're also stretchy and non-pulling. They also hug you in all the right places, flattering your body shape, 100% body confidence guaranteed. Some pants don't have pockets, or they have pockets that aren't deep enough, but you won't be having that problem with these joggers. These are the 3D fleece joggers, perfect to keep you warm just in time for winter. They're super stretchy and have a honeycomb material used to keep in body heat.
Wow, these new joggers you showed me are so much more comfortable.
They're more affordable too. Black Friday deals are already at Halar with up to 70% off.
Woo!
Wow, you got a great gift. The Magic 8-Ball knows the answers to anything.
Anything? 9 plus 10. 21? No. 19.
Hey Brianna, I'm having a party this weekend. You're totally invited if you want to come.
Should I go to our party? Ask again later. Looks like you're gonna have to ask me later.
Really? You're gonna listen to that silly little ball?
The Magic 8-Ball is all-knowing.
Brianna,
Jake.
want to come over after school? We can do homework together.
Sure, as long as you're not a serial killer or anything.
I mean, you never know.
Is Jake a serial killer?
What's it say?
Yes.